Hi, I'm Mauricio, and in this short video, I want to show you the integration between AttackRange and PurpleSharp. This integration is going to allow AttackRange users to easily launch automated multi-step attack simulation playbooks using the AttackRange command line tool. So it makes it really easy. Let's go ahead and check it out. First, I'm going to show you that I have an AttackRange up and running with a few hosts online and ready to be used. So now let's move on to the actual simulation playbook. So this is a JSON playbook, a simulation playbook that is going to be executed by PurpleSharp to execute a series of techniques trying to mimic what I would call a low sophisticated threat actor going against an Active Directory network. So through the techniques, first we're gonna do some discovery, like executing who am I, and using PowerShell to enumerate local accounts, specific domain accounts, specific domain groups within the network as well. Then we're gonna be using a Kerberos password spraying attack. We're gonna be doing Kerber roasting. And then we're gonna move on to lateral movement, where we're gonna use SEH task to try to start a task on a remote host, particularly the domain controller. Then we're going to try to create and start a remote service on the domain controller and using sc.exe, and finally move laterally using wmic as well. Let's go to the AttackRange, and from here we have the playbook. And all I'm going to have to execute is this. From the AttackRange command line tool, we're going to execute this simulation playbook using PurpleSharp and against this host. So Ansible is going to take it from here and it's going to execute those 10 techniques. So I'm going to pause this video until this finishes so we don't have to wait. So after a few minutes, the simulation execution completes and we get some results from PurpleSharp, but we're not gonna focus on this. We're just gonna straight to our login platform, and I'm just gonna refresh this dashboard that I created to hunt for and look for some of those indicators for the techniques that we just executed. So as you can see, we see who am I being executed. We see get local user in PowerShell. We see the attacker enumerating users using PowerShell and get AD user, also get AD group, specifically looking for the groups that we define on the playbook. And then we see the lateral movement, SC being used to try to create a legit updater service on the domain controller. Same goes for SEH task, creating a remote scheduled task, legit scheduled task. And finally, wmic executing calc on a remote host. So quick video to show you the integration that allows AttackRange users to easily execute complex multi-step attack simulation playbooks from the AttackRange command line. Thanks, everyone. Bye.